Hey folks, what a trailblazer here checking in at Big Shoals State Park, and take a listen before I go further. Just take a listen to the sound. You hear that? That sound of rushing water. I'll take you up here along the banks of the rushing Suwannee River as this trail and this ravine is along the Suwannee River. Wonder if I can go up. Look at these rapids. It's very rare to see rapids like this in Florida. That's why I wanted to share this experience with you folks and put you here. Class 3 rapids as this water rushes through here. And this trail is amazing. It takes you along the river here for a couple miles at least. And as you're hiking down to this area, you begin to hear the sounds of those rapids. And it's such a calming, even though the water sounds chaotic, it's such a calming experience when you're here listening to it. Here we go. Quite beautiful. You can find this area at Big Shoals State Park. Make sure to go to the Big Shoals entrance and take the hiking trail from there down to the river, and you'll find this beautiful scene.